kind of got messed up yesterday, so sorry guys. I won't be showing face cam this time. But there's a new update in Mad City. There's a lava dude now. But there's like a lava guy now. But for that we have to be a superhero though. So let's switch on over to the superhero team. Alright guys, well we gotta be a superhero for this. I know you guys really like Square Mode, but just for this you gotta be a superhero. And you also gotta pick this power. So yeah, let's just get on to it. So let's grab our gun. Grab this. So let's grab some grenades while we're at it. Okay, now we're just gonna see. Wait. Oh, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. We just need like one more thing. Maybe I can get up there. Warhog. No. Hope someone else gets it. I don't know if they will get it or not, but I'm just hoping that someone else will. Okay, it just started. Where's the guy at? Oh, jeez. Shoot at him. Okay. He's already started going already. Jesus. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, boys. Gotta stay near you. Okay. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Okay, shoot. Shoot him. Give me his eyes. I do not have a weakness. Back north. Okay. 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 Watch out. He spins. Oh, God. Okay, he's done spinning. I'm gonna stand around you guys, okay? Oh, he's back to sleep. Shoot him in the eyes, guys. Get him in the eyes. Get him. I gotta hit him. And this guy will never stop. Nope. Bucky. Oh, now he's over there. Go this way. Okay. Wait. Oh, spinning. Jeez. Okay, wait for it while we go to sleep. Okay, no. Oh, God. Come on, boys. We got this. No, Jack Power, don't die. Jesus! No! He died. It's just up to me and this guy now. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh, God, man. Okay, now he's over there. Jeez, die already. Come on, man. We got this. Son. Come on. No! I died. I was so close. Man. Sucks, I died again. Oh, that's great. No, I don't want that. Okay, well, let's just see here. See where we can go then. I guess. Let's try to go back up there. We can't do it now. We have to wait for the guys to die because because I just remembered if you do die, you do actually. Why did I have that so long? You actually do get messed up. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, what's up, gingerbread man? What you doing, boy? Gingerbread man. Open it. Finally. I know you're a bad guy. Is it over? No. I don't touch the lava. Not trying to touch the lava. At all. Hey, Jack Power. Hey, stop it. Watch, I'll get up there and come after you. Okay, you're asking for it now. Why'd you do that? Hmm? Huh? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, dummy? You stupid. Shut my jet down. Yeah, I do. I do look good. Yeah. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. I do look good. I look good, real good. You know what? Wait, I might stop shooting, dummy. Quit it. Stupid. Oh, God. You catch me. Over here now, dummy. Stupid. You stupid. You stupid. You stupid. When does this ever come back? Please come back. Please, you stupido. Stupid, dumb, retarded idiot. Come on. Let's go already. I have to quit him out. Wait a minute. It's up there. Can't even get her up there. Oh. Dude, I'm making a video.
I didn't know it was about that serious.
Well, it is. But my phone's about to die, so I have to go charge it.
Okay. Should I still be in the game now?
Well, Bandy Wheel's not in it.
Fine. Okay, well, I'll call you back.
Okay, bye. Okay, oh no, okay, whoa, hello. Are you gonna kill me? Or are you nice? I think he's nice. Jack Power, you go away. That's why I'm on 100 ranks. And you're not very good at that. Because you all suck at the game. You all really suck at the game. Y'all really do suck at the game. I am way better than you. At all times. I hope you guys will enjoy. Really awesome stuff. Right here, this is taking forever. It's taking so long. Okay. Well, guess I'll just leave because you guys are taking forever. I want to help you guys.